street food to the thing. One food boss on the up.
Brethren Jimmy tell myself to forward to one place and we finally reach. And there's a brethren named Biggs where I come check, and right now as we reach, Biggs have things are cut up, it's the things are fry, their music are play. So I could see what Biggs have, because Biggs tell me if you come with the camera, I'm forward with the camera.
Right time.
So right there.
Yeah.
What you do with Biggs?
Brown stew chicken with I did right now.
Brown stew chicken and Wha Gwann over there, son.
It's coming fish.
That look like it's fresh.
Yeah.
Yeah man.
I understand.
Watch out. You think a chicken parts and a chicken pot?
Yeah.
A whole of chicken here again. Watch out. Beer tie and brown meat in there.
Yeah.
One big sponny up.
Yeah.
Smell that. Yeah man, with our bigs right now and a whole, hey, well here we have to go there.
But just start cooking, you know.
Alright time reaching.
Watch it until it's done.
Right time reaching, Biggs.
Yeah, right time.
That's the word, man. Wha Gwann, darling. Watch all the pepper in the pot. Hey.
Yeah.
Go on, man, you are DVD, you know, we just watch, you know.
Alright. You're watching YouTube. But did you know there's a YouTube?
Big, go ahead, give me a video.
Big some brown stew I deal with.
Watch out.
Oh. Hey, anytime you see something like this, you know say proper because not reach funny yet, so it's gonna be go funny after.
Alright.
Biggs, you tell me for far with the camera over there.
A long time, man. We're there, man.
And this I just see start.
Just start
this. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, I like this, man.
One father big.
One father big one, yeah.
Tell me with the Biggs.
Great River, right, a Great River. You come across the bridge, make a left turn.
See the shop there.
See there?
Boy, man, a film place.
Yeah, man, I feel my place.
Film place.
Yeah, man, street food to the thing. Big up one food boss on the up. You know what I mean?
Where we there?
They're Great River. Show them river.
A film place.
They say bears.
Fresh
Yeah, man, see it, yeah.
Biggs are feel fresh things, you know.
Really, we are doing the thing proper, man.
Yeah, man.
You know what I say? Great River.
That is it.
Hanover border.
Right there.
On the border.
Right there.
One father.
I want choose box then.
You have to catch. You know when they are working, my money in shoes boxes, baby, you know.
Can I come on for that?
No.
Hi.
No.
Nurse.
No night nurse that, no. How can I
I
fish?
know your face. Banga Mary.
You're supposed to know my face, me, so don't I know.
No, I'm not only down here. We'll be a proper.
Oh, yeah, man. Stuffy.
Okay.
Stuffy and them, man, and George, and we used to down there.
Oh,
Yeah, man. Yeah. Right there. Yes, sir.
Straight to the fire, you know.
So when the fire, let me think of this or the fire,
Yeah, man.
please.
I'm more than one fire, man.
Fire blaze.
Yeah, man, fire blaze, man.
Yeah, fire blaze.
Yes, man, I hate
That
that.
is it, man.
Like
Ready,
that.
man.
Yeah.
It was like a brown stew before it's stew.
Sure.
Now hold on the Biggs. What is it now? What is it now?
Carlo and Pop Chow. Steam veg. I understand.
Them
Seasoning
things
feed.
seasoning and them stuff now. Watch
Yeah,
I pick up
sir.
and green and nice, man.
Alright. Hate that.
And that's I go with the brown stew.
Yes, sir.
And with the escovitch fish.
Yeah, man. Rice and peas.
Can't complain about that.
Belly full. Belly full.
So look at this.
Right back
I don't complain about roadside, but look at this. No dust coming into the food. Them just want to make sure that the food have nothing. Bring out them own water and them things to make sure that, listen, no dust coming into the food. Even though it's street food, they're very careful about what they're serving and how they're serving it to people. So they're wetting up the road right now just to show that it's a little mall, there's some road work going on. They don't want the dust to come up and come to where they're cooking. So they're making sure that none of that dust, if any car passes, if any breeze blow, comes up and gets into the food. That's secure. And then my bathroom. Shelly rice.
Yeah. One BIGGS, one father BIGGS.
That is it. Smell that, man?
Oh.
Whoa.
Oh. Maybe that to the taste it.
With the brown stew gravy. Yeah, man, Callaloo ready.
Yeah. One father BIGGS. Oh. See there?
Yeah, man. Smell the coconut milk on that.
Oh.
You hear me? Coconut milk, coconut oil.
Don't run no joke with that, yeah.
No, left that alone.
Yeah. See, let's go with fish, man. See fish. Look on the fish.
Yeah, man, see the fish.
Fish, man.
Show me the fish again.
Them that.
And see the sauce, yeah?
Oh.
What the sauce?
And the sauce there, yeah, sir.
Yeah, man. We need a couple of that.
Oh. Side go. That's right there.
No, BIGGS, put one more penny and charge me fee.
Alright, boss, alright.
Can't get one, we have to go few.
Oh.
This is it. When me excavate the BIGGS. Pepper and onion. Why we wish the music is
Yes, we can turn on the music on. I'm getting to the right way.
Turn it down after this one, baby. That is my food. Need 2 fish. Music can allow me. I turn off the music and tell you exactly what it is. One father BIGGS, you see it there? Look on that. One father BIGGS.
Yes.
Me get my escovitch, me get my brown stew, me get my callaloo, me get my rice and peas. Oh jeez.
Yes.
Donovan plate I get line up right now. But this a bar side vibes.
Which is right.
Sit down right there.
Right on the riverside.
Right on the riverside, the river is right there.
Oh.
We are right here. For the teacher, me know, because the tourists in there.
Oh, your rice and peas and
Similar to white things.
Sort me out.
Donovan, callaloo.
You want a red shot beer?
No, I don't drink beer.
What do you drink?
Oh, grape on the
I
right.
like liquor.
No.
Tequila.
Liquor is 4 people drink.
Yeah,
We
man.
don't do tequila here.
So,
We're
get-
rich.
what's the rich
Coconut, oil,
Red
and the
stripe beer,
callaloo.
the great Jamaican beer.
Not put down too much, you getting al dente. Brown stew chicken though. Oh my god.
I got a belly.
I don't want a belly.
Yo, you
Brown
see
stew
the
chicken
belly?
is
No, I don't want
You
phenomenal.
think you got a belly here,
Getting
right?
a hint of
You
pepper.
got a belly. And the belly come back, you go like
Body a shelly belly.
Shelly with the belly.
Leave them alone.
Come like a bumper.
Never bring a big camera. We bring a small one to them. If we go come back with the big camera and the full production, it worth it. Rice and peas.
Hey, you eat your food. I'll give you.
Rice and peas. Rice and peas is phenomenal.
Come here. I get nice
Rice
food.
and peas is excellent.
No, they let them eat
No.
that.
Coconut milk, all of that.
Come and taste some.
Wow.
Come on.
Fish right now. Jimmy are the director, so era. If Jimmy are direct it, we are go with the whole fish and take a bite.
You go guy.
Ouch. Man, I shoot the thing right.
Shoes box.
A food video, come on.
Come on. Shoes box.
A liquor
He ain't got no food. He's on into rum. Donovan is having his rice and peas. Food boss. Oh, fuck. Food boss. You can't deal with the things, so grab it, boss. Boss, I can't deal with the things, so.
Fish not dry. Love one.
Macho.
Ah, he says the way I
Mad.
Check mine.
extra gravy.
Little rice. Enough meat. Enough rice. Little meat. Got a little bad done. Y'all mix it with the rice.
Yeah, that right at best.
Got a little by itself, no normal. This.
Everything's over take one with us. Callaloo and rice only. No chicken in it.
A callaloo send you home and make you want to come back for more.
James, you're going good that up.
Callaloo and rice.
Fish?
Much food I have blood.
Really?
Oh.
I'm a fan of that escovitch sauce. And fish cooked perfectly. Look how it coming out.
Where the music there?
You understand me? I'm saying? Miller 9, take it easy.
This reminds me of whiting. Now you get in New York.
Where's the music?
We got whiting at dumpling shop. It's just very similar to it. You just bite through. There's a bone in there, but you don't get into the bone. You get into that flavor. Like the season, want the escovitch sauce. Only on the pepper, the callaloo. Can't beat that.
Bro.
Man's on a race. Meat versus rice right now. Him can't lead, but he might catch up.
That's the man who want to run me. Yo, hear the man.
He might catch up.
Calm down.
Catch up, the man. And I'll eat it gently. That's not a race, but I win. Love the race.
Looking back on my decision to come to NUA, I am so grateful.
Rice in my
I love my classes.